Gigabyte M27U, our pick for the best 27-inch monitor overall. Looking for a monitor that can handle all your work and play needs? Look no further than the Gigabyte M27U, the 27-inch wonder that has it all. Whether you're slaying dragons or crunching numbers, this bad boy has got your back. Say goodbye to blurry images and hello to crystal clear, detailed visuals. The M27U boasts a high 4K resolution and pixel density, so you'll never miss a single detail. Need to share your screen with your partner in crime? No problem. With its wide viewing angles, everyone gets a front row seat to the action. Plus, its KVM switch lets you connect two sources to the monitor and use the same keyboard and mouse for both because sharing is caring. And let's not forget about that convenient USB-C port. It's a breeze to connect your laptop, although it won't charge at lightning speed. If you want even better picture quality and higher power delivery, you could go for the N27M2V, but good luck finding it and be ready to fork out some extra cash. Why settle for less when you can have it all with the Gigabyte M27U? It's the ultimate multitasking companion, ready to take your productivity and gaming to the next level. Get yours now and never look back.